Hey guys, it's Espero123. I'm back again for another video. Today it's an unboxing video. It's been a while ever since I've done an unboxing video, but here it is. So we're unboxing the Volcano Impulse series. Well, one of the series, but so yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, here it is, the headphones, the Volcano Impulse series. It doesn't really say what it's the model name or anything, but it just says Volcano Impulse series. So we're gonna unbox it right now. Alright, so let's start unboxing it. Got my trusty scissor. Gonna just do this. Okay, and got it open. Okay. Alright. Oh, there's still some more tape on the side. Okay. And what's at the other side? Finally got it open. Okay, so here it comes. Ooh. Okay, so here's the box. It's coming like in a cool type of way. Feels really nice. It's plastic, obviously. Okay. Alright, it's like in a box, so taking that out. Oh, alright. So the box that it was on comes with an aux cable, as you can see, aux to aux. Then it's USB-A to USB, a micro USB. See? I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Then it also comes with a instruction manual. Yeah, no one reads the instruction manuals anyway, so okay. Alright, so that's it. Alright, the headphones, they feel quite nice. Like, so nice. They are feeling quite nice, and I like how it has that red accent. Color here. You know, the red and black vibes. I like that. I kind of dig it. Okay. Just adjust it a bit more. Oh, and they feel comfortable. They feel very, very comfortable. So comfortable. Okay. Now, how's the sounds? Okay, let's see if it has a bit of juice. Alright, the sound. Okay. Alright, it's on. Let's see if I can connect it real quick. Alright. Feels good, by the way. Very good, okay. I'm gonna use this phone. Alright. So far it feels good. It feels tight. It feels like it won't fall out at all. It feels like you're gonna have some good sounds with this. Alright, I found it. Okay, we're connecting. Okay. I'm gonna play a song. Alright. Oh. I love it. I love it. I love the headphones. It sounds so good and it's loud. It is loud. Let me play it in full blast. I'm pretty sure you can hear it. Well, if you can't, it's loud. I can hear like the full sound. I wonder if you can, but it sounds good. It's so good. And I guess that's it. This is just an unboxing video. It's not like a review type of video. So this was just an unboxing to show you how it looks and how it feels, and yeah, technically just saying how good it feels. And it feels great. It feels good. It feels like it's quite strong in a way. But I'm not gonna test it out because this is my, like, when I mean test out, like break it or something. No, sorry, I'm not this type of YouTubers. Maybe you can YouTube another type of person breaking it, but this is my birthday present, by the way. So yeah, I'm not gonna break it. So yeah, it's a nice headphone, very nice. I like it. It sounds very good, and I would like to say thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing the Volkano Impulse series. It doesn't really say much. Yeah, it doesn't show any model name. Yeah, nothing at all. But anyways, oh, at least let me like tell you the specifications. It has Bluetooth wireless version 5.0. The range, as it claims, is 10 meters. So it's not that bad. It's actually quite good. It has a charge input of 5 volts DC. The charge time is 2.5 hours. So we're gonna have a quick charge. You know, we're gonna be charging it, because if it's gonna take that long, it means it's gonna survive long. Playback time is 12 to 15 hours. So that's why it makes perfect sense why it was 2.5 hours. Especially when you're charging it for that long, it does make sense for it to survive as for that long, I guess. Then the driver size is 40 millimeters. So I guess they're talking about the headphone jack. I don't know. I'll just put like a thing to explain more of what they're talking about. And its frequency is 2.402 to 2.480 gigahertz. So yeah, that's it. So it's a nice headphone. Very nice. I like it. I like the design. I like how tight it is, and you can adjust it to however you like it. So it's a nice one. So the features of it is it has FM radio, micro SD card slot, and hands-free calling, meaning you'll be able to talk to someone with the headphones, saying, you know, you don't need to go and reach out for your phone, so you can use the headphones to answer calls and stuff. So yeah, and it has an aux input, so if you have a headphone jack, you can just plug it in. So yeah, and it has up to 15 hours playtime, so that's kind of impressive, very impressive. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I know I said this just not a long time ago, but thank you again for the video. Please keep on subscribing and liking the video, and share to your friends and girls and dudes and dudettes. I'm planning to do something special at 100 subs, so yeah, keep it up please guys. Keep subscribing, and it's Espero123. Don't forget to stay awesome. Peace.